Let's explore smart AI tools that simplify work, automate tasks, spark creativity, and help you move faster with clear explanations, practical tips, and real workflows. Okay, I didn't expect this. I just opened this tool, clicked a few buttons, and suddenly I had a full video with subtitles, visuals, even a talking avatar, basically done. If you've ever felt editing is slow, messy, or just straight up exhausting, this might change everything. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm trying out a tool called VEED.io. And from what I've seen so far, it's not just a video editor. It's more like an all-in-one AI video studio. I'm going to walk you through what it does, how it feels to use, and whether it actually makes video creation easier or just looks cool on the surface. So VEED is basically a browser-based video editor powered by AI, meaning you don't need to download anything, no heavy software, no complicated setup, and the main idea here is simple. You can create, edit, and publish videos all in one place. From what I saw, it's designed for everything, from social media content to presentations to full-on polished videos. Now let's be real for a second. Editing videos the traditional way, timeline chaos, exporting issues, subtitles taking forever. It's not just time-consuming, it kills momentum. What VEED is trying to do is remove all of that friction. It basically compresses the entire workflow into something way faster and more beginner-friendly, while still giving you pro-level results. First thing that stood out to me, AI video generation. There's literally a generate button. You click it and it helps you build a video from scratch. That alone already feels like cheating, in a good way. Then there's AI avatars. You can choose these talking characters and they'll deliver your script on screen. Honestly, this is wild, especially if you don't want to be on camera but still want a human presence in your videos. Next, subtitles, and not just basic subtitles. These are auto-generated, styled, and actually look clean. If you've ever spent hours manually syncing captions, yeah, this is a huge relief. Also, stock videos and media built in. You don't have to go hunting on other websites. Everything is already inside the editor. That's a big time saver. And the editor itself? Super clean. You've got your timeline, preview screen, and all your tools on the side, like text, audio, elements, subtitles. It doesn't feel overwhelming, which I like. It actually feels like something you can jump into without watching 10 tutorials first. One thing I also noticed, there's recording built in. So you can record directly inside VEED, which is perfect if you're making talking videos, tutorials, or even quick content. So here's how I'd personally use it. Step 1. Start a new project or hit Generate. Step 2. Add your script or content. Step 3. Choose visuals, avatars, or stock clips. Step 4. Let AI handle subtitles and structure. Step 5. Tweak everything in the editor. Step 6. Export. And that's it. It's surprisingly smooth. Now let's talk pricing real quick. From what I saw, there's a few options. A creator plan at around $10 per month, billed yearly, a pro plan at about $21 per month, which they recommend, a studio plan at $35 per month with more advanced features, and then there's enterprise for teams. So yeah, there's flexibility depending on how much you want to use it. Overall, VEED feels like one of those tools that actually simplifies video creation without dumbing it down. It's fast, it's clean, and honestly, it makes the whole process feel way less overwhelming. If you've been struggling with editing or just want something more efficient, definitely worth checking out. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.